Enhancing room aesthetics with custom mirrors. A well-placed mirror can brighten up dull corners, add depth, and instantly make your space feel more open and stylish. Benefits of custom mirrors in home decor. Making spaces feel bigger. In commercial settings where first impressions count, mirrors can work wonders by making tight areas feel more open and spacious. Brightening up your home with natural light. When placed across from windows, they reflect sunlight into deeper parts of a room, instantly making the space feel brighter, warmer, and more inviting. Turning mirrors into statement pieces. A large mirror in the living area or a beautifully framed piece in the bedroom can serve as a stunning focal point that adds depth and personality to your decor. Design tips for choosing the right mirror. In smaller spaces, oversized mirrors can make the area feel more open and airy. For larger rooms, it's important to choose mirrors that are scaled appropriately so they don't get lost on a big wall. A well-sized mirror should enhance the room's design, not overwhelm it or feel out of place. Before buying, think about where and how the mirror will be used. A mirror meant for everyday function should meet different standards than one chosen purely for decoration. Round mirrors are great for creating a soft, welcoming vibe and work well in spaces that need a gentle contrast to sharp corners. Rectangular mirrors, on the other hand, are perfect for modern interiors, offering a clean and structured aesthetic. Square mirrors bring a sense of symmetry and harmony, making them ideal for balanced layouts. Why choose Raben Glass for custom mirrors? When it comes to custom mirrors, you want more than just a piece of glass. You want something that fits your space perfectly, reflects your style, and stands the test of time. At Raben Glass, we combine craftsmanship, quality materials, and personalized service to bring your vision to life. Whether you're updating your home or enhancing a commercial space, our team is here to help you create mirrors that are as functional as they are beautiful. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.